guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to our Benzo TV. It's the PHA Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Mackenzie 0. I'm joined by Umsopo.
Steve Rajan. I'm great, but I don't want to say much about the game. I mean, bajabulile vele babonile.
Yeah.
Bamnandi it's into abayikhohlwa nje ukuthi bebedlala namagesi. Yeah, they act like bebedlala neSundowns or something. But yeah, I don't want to say much about the game. Mina engiyibuza khona ukuthi Mfukeng baqala ukushisa ngoba soku February yini bayimisela ukwenzani nini?
Indoda.
Hey, abapasope.
Indoda.
Ngoba a cross from Lilepo might hurt someone. Someone might be hurt by a cross from Lilepo. So let them keep commenting that cross. It's a beautiful cross. I mean, what was happening to cross iphelele nethini? What was happening? Sebela kubayibala ke. Ngoba naku no abayishayela imagesi it's fine. I mean imagesi kunumber bani angazi. Yeah, but then but I mean no abaqhubeka mfethu it's fine nge 28
sure
uyeza ulilepo na cross sizobona
Sandawana ulibone kanjani?
Hayi Steve uGrand
amnandi nje yami
hayi vandag ngibone igame eGrand man hey umvuke ngicocele Steve mina ngikhazi because angicavi yini AI dining njaya more kwenzakalani hayi dining mawusearch yonke iposition uyayithola hayi man umthola ku7 umthola ku10 umthola ku11
hayi everywhere
hayi ngathi udlala ngeAI for sure nyawo zakho
computer
AI then nenye out ke Steve hayi amakhehleni bafethu abantu ababhaya bamgaya icredit hayi adlala untanga hayi makukhona yena emuva nje hayi umeka sure ukuthi idefense is safe
uyakhiya
safe hayi ngiyabongela nalamadoda eBahama la Amstel la vandag ngiyeza
amadoda weni
Bahama
yini le Bahama
babambe 2 amabhili sebedakile
badakwe Amstel nge18 ngiseduze
ezobahlafuna Nkosi yona uyibone njani Nkosi yona uyibone
Steve Grand Steve ani game emnati magesi indisappointile nikenana etlaga ya Pirates tough time
sure
mara re ba lebohise Pirates 3 points since 2026 bone ba thola 3 points and ba bua msindo kudimo and le ke khale thomile that week ele ya budi 15 ke league ibuya mara bona ba thola 3 points mara bona mdimo kudimo jwa
bonse basadlala
khale basadlala ba lose ba thola di draw ba thola 3 points mdimo ba kudimo no ya mara re ba emele next week 18 and 28
sure
ola Steve
the best commentator kena nyano refe EG ya or machita utlwile jwang
sorry
Canada comes just demonstration
Okay, right. Khangha itlaba isang khawana mapelo a Shasarati Skatala Sasarati la balakela le botse la Orlando Amstel Arena mo ile goreng le tšatši ke 31 January 2026 sehlopha sa Orlando Pirates ba tla ba go gishana mo go sehlopha sa Makeze bontsha go tsefela bolo e tla tšwa tlhabele le botlo e tla tšwa ena mane Sipho Chain X chapter 16 o tla tšea bolo e mo tsileng ya mane Makhetlen Makaula tla tšea bolo for president ya 2000 o feta ga monna Vandal fota na mashego kola bola botsatse e khotsa monna mane Bothuma one Orlando Pirates not Makeze stage 5 Lord Shedding itimila Makeze otachia mufukani galo tula le ruteilenge Lotelele tshwareng artificial intelligence. Rapapapapapapa.